Hi, I'm Marvin, and I'm going to demonstrate how titles could be placed behind dark images, whether these images are from videos or from photos. As basic steps, all you need to do is to choose a title, then write your text. Choose animations for your text. After animating your text, check the right position of your text behind the images where you want to place. Do some adjustments to whatever you desire this text would appear to viewers. Then click the image found in the timeline to display the color features or properties. When the color features are displayed, go to 3D Lute and choose Dark Film. Aside from that, go to the white balance, then select color to be able to adjust the image's temperature and tint. Also, click the tone under the color to be able to make some changes to the image's contrast, saturation, and brightness as preferred. All of these features are to be used in adjusting how the text look like behind the image as well as how the image is shown with the presence of the text behind. The second and the third demonstrations apply the same steps to that of the first. However, you can do it in any order before clicking color. Once you click color features, you need to click 3D Lute first to select dark film before you can use the color features to adjust in any order of the given steps. Thank you for watching and please subscribe to support my channel.